Bellissima, my fellow viewers. Hello there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best Toonly alternatives that you can get for presentation, for animation, etc. Now, I love Italy and I love the Italian language. I was watching Vincenzo on Netflix. It's a TV show, and I fell in love with the language, and I said I'm going to learn it. So I hope that 1 year from now I will know how to speak properly in Italy. Like, I don't know if I even know how to pronounce it, like in Italian language or in Italy, who knows. So, but you know what I mean. Now let's get to the alternatives that you can get to the Toonly. The one thing about Toonly that I don't really like is that you can't really animate like the moving with the characters in Toonly, and many times it's really limited what you can achieve with it. And for my perspective, there are much better alternatives comparing to Toonly. So let's start. The first one that you can get is called AnyMaker. AnyMaker, I think it's working on Java, and it's a web tool. So I'm going to just show you what you can achieve with it. AnyMaker is a really interesting tool. What I really like is that you can add movement, you can add various animations, more animations comparing to Toonly. You can see it on the right side. You can have like the movement, the smart move left to right. This is something that you don't have at all in Toonly. So I would definitely recommend check it out, AnyMaker. With the items, it just looks cool to use it. Now, AnyMaker is a good program, but the next one is even better from my perspective. They're both good. Powtoon. Powtoon is another tool that I would recommend. Check it out if you want to actually like create some animations. So you can go, let's say, this one, or just go with this one here. Edit the template, and we can actually check it out. So this is the second one that I prepared for you. And also you can add animations, etc. to it, and you can really play around it as much as you want. You can click pause here, you can edit the character even, so that's pretty cool. And that's something in Toonly that you can't do, to animate, to literally change the face of the character, the outfit of the character. So that's amazing. So definitely check Powtoon as an alternative to Toonly. You can also add many poses here. So that's pretty good, and I would definitely recommend. And you can also add movement and effects here. So another thing is that with the Powtoon and also with Beyond that I'm going to show you, you can also add whiteboard animation. Not only the simple animation, but also whiteboard animation with it. So that's pretty good. Now, the next one that I prepared for you is Beyond. Beyond, in my opinion, is the best on the market right now. Like, I don't know any other that will be this good as Beyond. Beyond gives you options what you can actually do with it. When you come here to showcases and click on customer videos, on all of these you have free trials, so you don't have to add a cart. You can actually test it out by yourself with the Toonly and also with the Doodly, which is the same company, made by the same company. The thing is that you have to buy it to actually try it, and I don't like things like that, right? So look at the sales introduction video. See, they are working on a computer. So you can literally check all the templates, look like people walking. Now it's like perfect, right? Look, someone is going to walk in the screen. So this is pretty amazing. I mean, using Beyond is a good option too, and I would definitely recommend checking it out. From my perspective, it's just much better comparing to Powtoon, AnyMaker, and Toonly. But I'm not paid by them. This is just like my perspective, what I would recommend for you to do. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video gave you some kind of value. I wanted to make it a quick one so you see that, okay, it's actually worth it. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.